straight away. What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, coming straight into this POV with y'all. I'm about to go to this rustic ass beach town I found the other day, and my girl's right there. She's gonna follow behind me. Hopefully she can keep up, and we just gonna have some good driving today. Ain't much planned. Just gonna get you a sunset POV drive in the sunset M340. Damn, bruh, I actually need gas. I got like 70 miles. I think I'll be good. Bro, we are just barely gonna make the sunset. I think sunset sets at like 7:02 or 7:05, so we'll still have some time, like 10 minutes to get some little photos of the cars and shit like that. Let's put it into sport. Things warmed up now. Hopefully I got enough gas to get there. If I drive like that, I might not, but we're gonna see. It says it's about 13 minutes, 8 miles. We should be fine. I got my Osmo too. I ain't showed y'all this, but I got a DJI Osmo 3. It's pretty cool. It takes some good videos. It's got the tracking feature, so I can basically set it up. It's got like a little app, and I can drag and like put a box around my car, and it'll just record anything my car does. It's pretty cool. There's not too much really scenery on the way here. I might cut the POV, and when I get around some more fun driving roads, I will cut it back on. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, it's boost weather, that's for sure. Goddamn, like 60 degrees. God, the turbo's loving this weather, bro. Bro, y'all heard this new Cardi? Goddamn, bro, this shit's hard. There's mixed opinions on it. People are like, bro, this shit's trash, this shit's ass, like why would you listen to this TikTok music, whatever. And then the other half is like, this shit is hard. But it's got some for sure goated ass features on it, bro. Uzi, prime Uzi features on here. Travis Scott, Future, Ty Dolla $ign. Shit's crazy. I like it a lot, but I was a whole lot of Red supporter on release. Everyone hated that album too when it came out, and then it ended up like 6 months down the road, everyone loved it. It was getting awards, shit like that. So I feel like Cardi's a type of artist you never know on release. I feel like I have to listen to this shit at least like 3 times to like take it in and get all the feel and the vibe of it. That's a clean ass Integra. But yeah, new Cardi's hard in my opinion. Top songs, Wake Up Filthy, hard. Of course I can't play it, I'm sure gonna get claimed. But Wake Up Filthy, Jumpin's hard, Twin Trim's hard, like Wheezy's hard, obviously Hood by Air's hard, but we known that song. Fine Shit's hard, Philly's hard. There's so many bangers on this shit. Bro, I low-key should stop and get gas. I'm gonna do it. Fuck. Drugs in my body hole, yeah, let's go. We're gonna get gas real quick. Back in the Beamer. Alright, let me turn this shit down. I'm gonna get claimed. Y'all let me know in the comments, new Cardi hard or new Cardi trash? God, all the turbo sounds. Let's get some over the bridge right here. As I said, this is like a rustic old like bayou town or something. It's pretty cool out here. I don't cap. I just literally, when I do POVs, I just like scroll in on Apple Maps and just try to find places that look cool. And this looked cool, so we're here. Ooh, that sunset. That's gonna be a good one. girl cannot keep up for shit. She didn't put that B48 to work, goddamn. I'm gonna slow down, let my girl catch up, goddamn. Where's she at? Come on now. Where the fuck she go? Look at her trying to catch up. Oh god. There she go. That B48's nice, but it ain't no B58. We gonna get it there though. She already got an intake, gotta get her downpipe, gotta get her tuned. That's it, that's all there is to it. She'll be making like mid 300 wheel. That's plenty for her. God, this thing never gets old, bro. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, straight away. All right, back here's like a public area, so I'm gonna stop being crazy. See ya. Okay, nose. If there's nobody back here, we might be able to get a nice little photo shoot. But I might want to keep driving though, if I'm honest with y'all. Because I already got sunset clips here the other day, and it was really fire. I'll insert some of those right now, but this is where I did it for like behind the scenes type things. I basically just posted up like right here, and then the sun sets like right across this like ridge. Just post up. Let the turbo go down. You couldn't keep up. All right, we caught that little sunset. It was pretty cool. Now let me ease my way out of here. Pretty cool sunset. Got some clips. I'll insert them in if I already haven't. But we're gonna try to do a little bit more driving before it gets pitch black outside. Cause I promised y'all a cutting up POV. So let me try, you know, just a little bit harder. God, it's such a pretty sunset. Shout out this carbon wheel. God damn, it feels so good. It feels so much better than the stock wheel, like with these perforated grips. It just feels like, God, I got so much more control of the car. Oh, these roads are pretty nice. Thought that was a person, straight a mailbox. Oh, the little beach houses, that's so cool. Damn, bro. I would straight live in a place like this. Hurricane's probably bad as shit though. If there's like a hurricane in the Gulf, it's probably devastating to live here. Although I live like 20 minutes from here, so. But I feel like if you're on stilts on the water, that shit is brutal. I should just send it into the water. Imagine. My girl's like, can we just stay and look at the water, watch the sunset? I'm like, no, must get POV. Must get POV footage. Cause like, look at the scenery. Look at the roads. Can't miss this. It was just getting dark at 5 o'clock, goddamn. Traction control worked good right there. Something out the window. Oh, well, shit, boys. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm finna find a little scenic spot on the water. I'm finna catch me a little flights moment, if you know what I'm talking about. And that's gonna be the end of this POV. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, boys. More content to come. Stay tapped in with your boy. Hit the bell notification. More shit to come. Got merch, clothing, stickers, hats, everything coming. M340 gang shit. Yeah, but that's about all I got. I appreciate y'all for watching. Love y'all, boys. More content to come. Peace.